In times of crisis, when every second counts, communication becomes your lifeline. But what happens when traditional methods fail? During disasters, phone lines get jammed, leaving you unable to reach loved ones or emergency services. That's where SMS, or text messaging, becomes a silent hero. At Progressive Telecom, we understand the power of SMS in emergencies. Unlike voice calls, texts require less network capacity, making them more likely to get through when networks are congested. They're also 1. Silent, ideal in situations where noise could put you at risk. 2. Precise, exact locations and details can be shared. 3. Persistent messages, keep trying until delivered. From hurricanes to active shooter situations, SMS has proven invaluable. In the 2007 Virginia Tech tragedy, students used texts to alert others and coordinate safety efforts when calls failed. SMS isn't just for personal use. At Progressive Telecom, we empower organizations with robust SMS solutions for 1. Early warning systems alerting communities about impending disasters. 2. Emergency services dispatching first responders efficiently. 3. Status updates keeping the public informed during crises. Our advanced SMS gateway ensures high-speed, reliable message delivery, even under extreme conditions. We've partnered with government agencies and NGOs worldwide, making a difference when it matters most. But SMS effectiveness also depends on you. Here are tips to maximize its power. 1. Pre-save emergency numbers. 2. Keep messages brief and clear. 3. Include your location and condition. 4. Conserve battery, texts use less power. At Progressive Telecom, we're more than a service provider. We're your partner in safety, leveraging cutting-edge technology to keep you connected when it matters most. Our commitment to innovation and reliability has made us a leader in telecommunications. In emergencies, silence can be golden. SMS, your quiet, powerful ally. Progressive Telecom, innovating for a safer, more connected world. Visit progressivetele.com today. Because in a crisis, staying connected isn't just nice, it's necessary.